Warehouse operators can save in excess of 50% of the energy bill and carbon footprint by working with Jet Environmental. In the battle to reduce CO2 emissions in warehouses, Jet Environmental delivers a win-win solution that results in lower energy bills and lower carbon emissions. The need to be green is becoming the biggest issue on the corporate agenda. Coming legislation will force companies to address their carbon footprint. Importantly, companies will have to act in advance of the legislation if they're to keep their customers and maintain profitability. The Kyoto Protocol commitment to reduce our carbon footprint by 60% will not be easy to achieve for anyone. But there are some easy wins for warehouse operators that will significantly reduce carbon emissions and deliver a sensible return on investment. Heating, and to a greater extent cooling, typically contribute 40% of a company's carbon footprint. In the battle to reduce CO2, small savings can be made utilising more efficient equipment. However, for those companies operating large warehouses, savings in excess of 50% can be enjoyed at a relatively low cost and with little or no operational disruption. The sheer size of a warehouse means it takes a lot of energy to heat and cool. As heat rises, it's typical to find the majority of the energy input to heat a building sitting in the roof void, above racking or mezzanine areas. The most effective way to reduce a warehouse carbon footprint is to prevent this temperature stratification process taking place. Jet Environmental solution does this. The jet air induction technology is recognized by consultants as the most cost-effective way to heat and cool large warehouses with very specific issues relating to densely packed racking and mezzanine floors. Tesco installed a jet system into their 65,000 square metre warehouse at Daventry. The facility has now been running for 2 years, and it's estimated that Tesco saves over 500 tonnes of CO2 per annum at that one site alone. Jet systems are designed to provide free cooling in summer by utilising large volumes of fresh air and nighttime purge when external temperatures are lower than the desired internal temperature. Whilst the jet distribution system is at the heart of any low-carbon warehouse solution, CO2 emissions can be further reduced by incorporating other sustainable heating and cooling energy, such as solar collectors and ground source heating and cooling. Jet is currently working with DHL's Neutral Group to retrofit a system that addresses the issues of overheating mezzanines in summer and costly heating in winter. The Neutral Group anticipate an energy saving in excess of 70% over the current heating system, with the added benefit that the building will be fully operable even during the hottest summer days. The benefit of reducing energy consumptions has to be obvious when oil and gas prices continue to rise each day. Early adopters will benefit significantly. Not only will they enjoy the cost savings from saving energy, but they will position themselves as green, environmentally caring organisations that consumers will choose to buy from. Going green is a win-win solution for your balance sheet and the environment. Jet Environmental has been designing and installing low-carbon HVAC systems in the country's larger warehouses since 1981, and the Jet system is the lowest carbon HVAC solution available for warehouses. For more information, visit the Jet website at www.jetenvironmental.com or call Steve Ball on 0121 788 5319.